Have you ever imagined that you could harvest fresh lemons, juicy peaches, or even sweet cherries without owning a big backyard? Picture yourself stepping out onto your balcony or patio and reaching for fruit that you grew yourself. Think about the joy of tasting produce that came not from a store but from your own care and effort. It may sound impossible to grow an orchard in a small space, but the truth is that it can be done. Today I will guide you through the top 10 fruit trees that thrive in pots and small spaces so you can enjoy the taste of homegrown fruit no matter where you live. Imagine the fragrance of blossoms filling your home while the promise of fruit ripens just outside your door. Consider the satisfaction of knowing that every lemon, every fig, and every peach was nurtured by your hands. Growing fruit in pots is not only practical but also deeply rewarding, because it brings nature closer to your daily life. This journey will show you how to choose the right trees, how to care for them, and how to harvest fruit that rivals any orchard. By the end, you will see that abundance does not require acres of land, but only a pot, a plant, and a little patience. The lemon tree is one of the most popular fruit trees for container gardening because it grows well in limited space and produces fruit almost year-round. The improved Meyer lemon is a dwarf variety that adapts perfectly to pots and small patios. It requires full sun and well-draining soil to thrive. Regular watering and citrus fertilizer will keep the tree healthy and productive. The fragrance of lemon blossoms adds beauty to your home environment, while the bright yellow fruit provides endless culinary uses. You can harvest lemons for drinks, desserts, and savory dishes. Growing a lemon tree in a pot allows you to move it indoors during colder months, ensuring survival in cooler climates. With patience and care, you will enjoy a steady supply of fresh lemons directly from your balcony or terrace. The fig tree is a Mediterranean classic that adapts beautifully to container life. Varieties like Brown Turkey and Celeste are compact and ideal for pots. Figs prefer warm conditions and moderate watering. They thrive in sunny spots and reward you with sweet, soft fruit that can be eaten fresh or dried. A fig tree in a pot can be pruned to maintain a manageable size, making it perfect for small spaces. The leaves are large and decorative, adding a lush look to your patio or balcony. Figs are rich in fiber and nutrients, making them a healthy addition to your diet. Container-grown figs often produce fruit twice a year depending on climate. With proper care, you can enjoy the charm of a Mediterranean orchard, even in a city apartment. The fig tree is both ornamental and productive, making it a top choice for limited spaces. Apple trees are traditionally large, but dwarf varieties make them suitable for pots and small gardens. Varieties like Honeycrisp, Gala, and Fuji are popular choices. Apple trees require cross-pollination, so planting to compatible varieties ensures good harvests. They need full sun and large pots to allow root development. Regular pruning helps maintain shape and encourages fruit production. Apples ripen in autumn and provide crisp, sweet fruit for fresh eating or cooking. Container apple trees bring seasonal beauty with blossoms in spring and colorful fruit in fall. Growing apples in pots allows urban gardeners to enjoy orchard flavors without large land. Fertilize with balanced nutrients and water consistently to keep the tree healthy. With patience, you will harvest apples that rival those from traditional orchards. The apple tree is a rewarding addition to any small space garden. The pomegranate tree is hardy, drought-tolerant, and perfect for pots. Varieties like Nana and Wonderful are compact and thrive in containers. Pomegranates love full sun and minimal water, making them easy to maintain. The tree produces jewel-like seeds packed with antioxidants and flavor. Growing pomegranates in pots allows you to enjoy exotic fruit even in limited space. The blossoms are bright and ornamental, adding beauty to your patio. Pomegranates ripen in late summer and fall, providing nutritious snacks and juice. Container-grown pomegranates can be pruned to control size and improve fruit quality. They are resilient and adapt to different climates. With proper care, you will enjoy both ornamental value and edible rewards. The pomegranate tree is a symbol of abundance and fits perfectly in small gardens or balconies. Peach trees bring the taste of summer to small spaces. Dwarf varieties like Bonanza and Golden Glory thrive in pots. They require chill hours depending on region but adapt well to container life. Peach blossoms are stunning in spring and fruit ripens in summer. The sweet, juicy peaches are perfect for fresh eating, desserts, and preserves. Growing peaches in pots allows you to move them to protect blossoms from frost. They need full sun, regular watering, and balanced fertilizer. Pruning helps maintain shape and encourages healthy growth. Container peaches provide both ornamental beauty and delicious harvests. With dedication, you can enjoy orchard-quality peaches from your balcony or terrace. The peach tree is a delightful choice for small space gardeners who want both beauty and flavor. The olive tree is a Mediterranean symbol that thrives in pots. Varieties like Arbequina and Coronaki are compact and suitable for containers. Olive trees love dry soil and full sun, making them low maintenance. They produce olives that can be cured or pressed for oil. The evergreen foliage adds year-round beauty to your home. Growing olives in pots allows you to move them indoors during cold winters. They are resilient and adapt to different conditions. Container-grown olives require minimal water and occasional pruning. The tree brings a touch of Mediterranean charm to patios and balconies. With patience, you can harvest your own olives and enjoy the satisfaction of homegrown produce. The olive tree is both ornamental and practical, making it a top choice for small spaces. Cherry trees are loved for their sweet fruit and beautiful blossoms. Dwarf varieties like Stella and Lapins thrive in pots. They require full sun and well-draining soil. Cherries ripen in summer and provide delicious fruit for fresh eating or desserts. Container cherry trees can be pruned to maintain size and improve yield. Blossoms in spring add ornamental beauty to your home. Birds love cherries, so netting may be needed to protect the harvest. Growing cherries in pots allows you to enjoy orchard flavors in limited space. They require consistent watering and balanced fertilizer. With care, you will enjoy both blossoms and fruit. The cherry tree is a rewarding addition to any small space garden, bringing joy and flavor to your life. The guava tree is tropical, fast-growing, and perfect for pots. Varieties like Tropical White and Ruby Supreme adapt well to containers. Guavas love warm and moderate water. They produce sweet, aromatic fruit that can be eaten fresh or used in juices and desserts. Container guavas can be pruned to encourage branching and control size. The tree adds lush greenery to your patio or balcony. Guavas are rich in vitamin C and fiber, making them a healthy choice. Growing guavas in pots allows you to enjoy tropical flavors, even in cooler regions. By moving them indoors, they are resilient and easy to maintain. With proper care, you will harvest abundant fruit. The guava tree is a vibrant addition to small space gardens, bringing both beauty and nutrition. Banana plants bring tropical charm to small spaces. Dwarf varieties like Dwarf Cavendish thrive in pots. They require humidity-rich soil and consistent watering. Banana plants produce clusters of fruit that ripen in warm conditions. The large leaves add dramatic greenery to your home. Growing bananas in pots allows you to enjoy tropical harvests even in limited space. Mist the leaves to maintain humidity and fertilize regularly for healthy growth. Container bananas can be moved indoors during cold weather. They are fast-growing and rewarding. With care, you will enjoy homegrown bananas that rival store-bought ones. The banana plant is a striking choice for small space gardeners who want both beauty and fruit. The mulberry tree is fast-growing and container-friendly. Dwarf varieties like black mulberry thrive in pots. Mulberries love full sun and moderate water. They produce sweet berries perfect for jams, desserts, and fresh eating. Container mulberries can be trained to grow compact and manageable. The tree adds greenery and seasonal fruit to your patio or balcony. Mulberries ripen in summer and provide abundant harvests. Growing mulberries in pots allows you to enjoy orchard flavors in limited space. They are resilient and easy to maintain. With proper care, you will enjoy both ornamental value and edible rewards. The mulberry tree is a versatile choice for small space gardeners, bringing sweetness and charm to your home.
We have explored 10 amazing fruit trees that thrive in pots and small spaces, and each one offers unique beauty and flavor for your home. From lemons that brighten your drinks to figs that bring Mediterranean sweetness to apples that deliver crisp autumn harvests, to pomegranates that shine with jewel-like seeds, to peaches that fill summer with juicy delight, to olives that add Mediterranean charm, to cherries that burst that provide abundant berries. You now have a complete guide to building your own mini orchard. Growing fruit in pots is not only practical, but also deeply rewarding because it connects you to nature that gives you fresh, healthy produce right at your doorstep. Remember that success comes with patience, care, and love for your plants, and every blossom and every fruit is a reward for your effort. Start with one tree and nurture it, and soon you will enjoy the joy of harvesting your own fruit, even in the smallest space. Thank you for joining this journey, and may your balcony, patio, or terrace become a place of abundance and happiness.